Hey guys, it's Brittany, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you are a returner, then what's up? So today we are going to be doing an unboxing of this Stay Wild Be Happy box. I am super excited about this box because it is my very first Be Happy box, and all the other boxes, they didn't really appeal to me as much, but this box right here, it spoke to my soul, okay? It is a box that I feel like I will use everything in it. So you guys are gonna get to see my reactions to everything that's inside this box. I'm super excited. I already cut open the box, so let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and dive right on in. I wish I could save this sticker, but it's okay, not a big deal. When we first open the box, we have this Stay Wild card, and on the back of the card, it has everything that's inside of this box. I love this card. Like, I don't have an office or a craft space, but if I did, I would hang this up. So I'm gonna save this for when that time comes. But on the back of here, it just tells you all the items that's included inside of this box. I won't go over this because obviously we're gonna pull it all out. So that is the first thing in the box that I have is this super cute Stay Wild patch. I wonder if this is like an iron-on patch or a sticker. Let's open it and see. Alright, so it looks like maybe it's a sticker. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's a sticker, which is cool. I like this. I might put this in my planner or something. I don't know, but that's super cute. This cute little patch, and then some cute cards. I think that there are 3 of them. These are so cute. And let's see what's in the inside. Oh, just has some leopard print in the inside, or cheetah print. What's the print? If you know the print, this print, is it cheetah or leopard? Leave it down in the comments below, because I'm not sure. But this is so cute. I love these. I think I would like to punch a hole in this and like use it as one of those like conversation cards, or what is it called? Those I can't think of the name of them, but they come in some of the packs that we have. All right, next up is this super cute dashboard with the paper on it. This is so cute. I really love it. I need to get me a classic size punch, because obviously you can put this inside, but I would like to punch holes in here in the actual paper so that I can use them in the middle for each week of my spread, or whenever I need to write notes and stuff. So this is super cute. I really like it, and I already have some of the dashboards from this collection, so I'm glad to be able to add another one. Ooh, we have this cute pouch. This is so cute. Like, when I saw this pouch in the video, I was like, girl, I need this. This pouch is so cute. I can't wait to put my pens and stuff in it. I probably just set this on my desk at work and just like leave it there, because it's just so cute. Like, it's a great little piece that you can use for some decor. I might have to move this stuff because it's getting heavy on the box. Alright, next we have some sticker sheets, y'all. One, I'm happy that obviously these are not the same stickers from the book, and there's some different ones. These are so cute. So I watched a few other people's unboxing, but when they got to the stickers, I tried to skip it so I could have some element like of surprise for myself. But I know that there are different patterns, and they're not the same stickers that are in the actual sticker book. So let's just flip through this really quickly. And I love this color scheme that they added to this collection. So cute. Some colorful boxes for the cheetah print. I think I want to do my monthly with this, like a monthly layout with this. But I'm also like, I want to save it for when I actually go into the Wild Style planner. I know that sounds crazy, because I mean, well, it's not, well, I will go into it in July, but I don't know. These are just so cute. I don't know if I want to save it or use it, but we'll see. These are super cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. So cute. They outdid themselves with the foiling here and like this hollow gold foil. It's super cute. I'm really loving it. How many times in this video can one person say super cute? Because I'm probably going to max it out, so just know that. Like I said, everything's super cute. Oh my goodness, I love the letters. Cute. You get 1 page of those. These are so cute. All right, so that is going to be the sticker book. Probably one of my favorites. I think it might be 10 sheets in here. I'm not 100% sure. All right, these are really cute. Okay, so they're front and back, and they are just like your priority page, or if you have a really busy week, you can kind of use this inside of your planner. So you can use these as your daily. This is so cute, and I can see myself using these on the times when I'm really busy at work or when work is really picking up. I really like these. Oh, I love this. What is this called? Like elastic planner cover holder. Let's see what it's called because it's on the sheet. Okay, it's called a pen holder, but I love it because I'm pretty sure my planner is going to be chunky, and so this is going to be cute to kind of keep everything together. I love that it has this lavender color. Obviously my nails are that color, but I really love that color with this cheetah print. Super cute. I cannot wait to use this. All right, and then we got some dividers. Let's open these up. Okay, these are cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. You are bold, unique, brave, strong, kind. I like that. This is different, but I really like it. This is so cute. Happy looks good on you, girl. And the back doesn't have hollow. You're capable of amazing things. These are all so super cute. I can't get over this. Cute. All right, now this right here is the real reason why I ended up purchasing this Be Happy box. For one, I love the cover, and how many times I just said love, that's how many times I really love these discs. These discs is where it's at. It's that clear glitter disc. They are mini. Gosh, I wish these came in the classic already, but these are so cute. The reason I wanted this Happy Notes was because I figured I'm gonna try my very best to keep that Wild Style planner for the whole 18 months, and I figured this would give me an opportunity to kind of change up my cover when I get tired of the one that I have, and this one is a little bit different from the one that came with the cover, so I thought that that would be cool. And this is cute too because you can use this side as a cover too. It'll be the back, but that'll be cute. Let's go ahead and flip through and see what the inside of this looks like. So never forget your own worth with that hollow, and then the back is just neutral. I love this dot grid. Do I have a dot grid? I think I have one dot grid planner, Happy Notes, and I really like it. So hopefully that'll continue. This is cute. Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid to not try. With the back, same on the back. And then we have this one, Kind Heart, Brave Soul, and it has the same print on the back here. So I really love this Happy Notes. This, like, I probably would have got this even if they had a different Happy Notes or a different cover, but I really like this cover. Let's see what it looks like with the little pen holder on it. See, that is so cute. And then you have like, because I'm trying to like step up my planner game, I want to have some little paper clips and stuff up here, so lavender would be like my color to pull from to put up there. This is so cute. Alright, next we have some of those big Mambi sticks, or I think they're called Mambi sticks, but we have just some large stickers. Let's open these. Cute. hopefully you guys can see everything. I don't know why I must have set my camera up at a different angle, but yeah. Kind heart, brave soul, never forget your own words. So some of the same sayings. These are so cute. I love these. You're capable of amazing things, happy and wild. This is so cute. I really, really love this. Cute. Alright guys, and last but definitely not least is gonna be the planner bag. Oh my gosh. So cute. So cute. I don't own a lot of totes, so I'm pretty sure this tote will get lots of use out of it. This is a cute tote bag. I really love how rich the black is of this tote, because sometimes you can get black that's kind of like ashy or dingy looking, but this is a very rich color, and I really like that. I love this gold, and I normally, guys, hate black and gold together. Like, I normally hate it, but it works with this. I really like it. So there we go. That is the last thing in the bag.